Amotekun, na the new agency, security agency now wey dey for Nigeria. I dey sure say many of una know. For una wey no know, yes, the state commandant, him name na Amitolu Shitu. Your name sound like Ghana pepper, sha. He don come outside come talk say now the security agency no go tolerate all of una wey dey dress anyhow, and una wey una Yoruba never strong. They come for una. And according to am, he talk say even though Nigerian constitution provide individual freedom, e no mean say that constitution go allow people to dey dress anyhow and to dey speak nonsense Yoruba. Oga boss, your own don finish, because Nigeria constitution na wetin people suppose dey follow. And for una wey just decide say abi una don decide am since say na this one una wan follow, I pity una, because una all of una go just enter gutter like that. You better, even though Nigeria constitution dey no even dey look am again, everybody don dey do im own thing. See, na wetin una suppose follow. You understand? The name sef sound like Yoruba shrine. Na im be that, my people. And they say they go start for March 2021. I no even know. They never even start, but they don already dey act like animals, aggressive everywhere. I no even dey see the difference between this Amotekun and EndSARS. Yes, because these people now, small power wey they don give them, small authority, they don dey use am, they wan scatter everywhere. So now if you no dey careful, na be say na double protest now. People go dey protest, because no go be EndSARS protest again. This one go be End Amotekun protest. So make una just dey ready. Wetin happen to SWAT, my people? Because we dey hear SWAT, abi una no hear am wey dey say they don dey train police people for another this thing. So wetin come happen to this SWAT wey dem dey? Una no go even finish one thing, una don dey bring another thing. SARS dey, SWAT dey, una go even bring another one now. Amotekun don join. Yoruba people don start o. Yoruba people don start. Una don oh, see, no be only Northerners be the problem. Because before, everybody dey shout, northern part of Nigeria, northern part of Nigeria. No be northern part of Nigeria, oh. Yoruba don join queue. From now, make una open una ear, oh. Na only Iro, Buba, Gele, wetin dey call all those their dresses. Now wetin una go start to dey dress. Na that one na im dey allow. So una with una big head, una leave bad government. Una leave all the issues wey Nigeria get, Boko Haram. Una just decide say na this thing una wan start. I no know where una dey think. I no know. Abeg, my people, we get another interesting story wey we go talk about. No be for this one we go waste our time. Yes, Kanye West matter don reach me, oh. I dey carry una go international. Yes, they don give am award for Billboard Top Gospel Artist, the best one. Na him win am this year. And now everybody don dey vex. The thing cause kasala, like cause wahala everywhere, my people. See, some people now, they no dey gree. They talk say, when Kanye West join gospel artist, say na secular music in they sing before. Now we just start. You no even reach how many years they don't give am best this thing. They even they mention people names where they don't they see tete. Now, now wahala wey dey for internet be this, my people. And I bring a call aside because I need know wetin una dey think for this matter. You understand? See, some people just they insult Kanye West. Una think say e dey easy. Imagine say person live in comfort zone, because the guy they used to all this secular music. He don't live in comfort zone now. Come they sing this thing. See, make una know they talk all this thing, because it might see all these Sundays concerts wey Kanye West hold. They be massive ones. They scatter work. And they tell una. So una no fit compare am to all these people. And Nigeria especially, all of una wey just dey talk Nigeria. When will you people take award? Una just dey they open mouth, they insult the boy. When una wan take award, because Nigeria now one of the largest exporters of religion when it comes to all these gospel songs. When una wan take award, see, I no care whether Kanye West sing pass person, abi person sing pass Kanye West. Na so talk una go dey talk. You wey don dey there 100 years, who know you? No, you dey insult person. My people, overtaking is allowed. Wetin I talk? Overtaking dey allowed, oh. So if you like dey there, you don dey sing 10 years ago, person just come. Na im fault? No be im fault. See, my problem with people be say una no dey sabi appreciate better thing. This person now don dey inside world since. At least God don pull am out. Una suppose even dey happy. You understand? Because I dey sure say if una hear now say he don do one bad thing since the time when he turn to Christ, he don do one bad thing, una go go open una mouth. We said it. Now wey person don take good step, una no go support am. Maybe na through this thing sef, e go even dey more solid for this gospel thing wey dey do. Una suppose dey think before una go dey talk some kind things sometimes. Abeg, my brother Kanye West, I am very loyal, you understand? Congratulations, oh yes, from 101 TV we say we love you. Na my man be that. Na 101 TV we dey so, yes, and I dey sure say una dey enjoy all these good videos wey we dey give una. And for you to continue, you must subscribe if you never subscribe. Click on that bell so that you go dey aware whenever we dey post another one. You understand? Drop your comment. I need to know what you dey think. Share this video, make it go viral. I go see you later.